Yes, after calculation of crystal field theory, we have observed that configuration D4 to D7 ions are more stable for low spin complex. Low spin means in strong field ligand than for high spin complex. Strong field ligand में high del knot value, the gap is quite large, low spin complexes are formed. And weak field ligand में del knot is very less and high spin complexes formed, because we first fill these orbitals and then pairing start. In low spin complex, we fill the lower set of orbitals, then we still fill the upper set of orbitals. Now on the basis of crystal field theory, now we are discussing the magnetism. Using principle of strong field ligand, some low spin states means very less number of unpaired electrons, low spin states to be more stable, and the weak field ligand cause high spin states to be more stable. We can determine whether electrons are paired up or not. Hence we can easily predict paramagnetism or diamagnetism. We simply say, if they are high spin complex, large number of unpaired electrons, starting from 1 to 5, so greater value of magnetic moment, so more paramagnetism. And when they are low spin complex, majority these d orbitals are paired. When they are paired, number of unpaired electrons are less and they are weakly paramagnetic. And if all are paired, no unpaired electron, then the substance complex is diamagnetism. Another way, crystal field theory is able to explain color of the complex. This is very important question. This question is repeated even in transition metals. Crystal field splitting for most of the complexes is the same order of magnitude as energy of the photon of visible light. It is therefore possible for transition metal complex to absorb visible light, which thereby excite electron from lower energy d orbital into higher set of energy orbitals. What does it mean? Let the electrons are present in lower set of d orbitals. When compound will absorb some light radiations from visible light, electron excite from lower set of orbitals to higher set of orbitals. लोअर एनर्जी में ऑर्बिटल है, एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब करके हायर एनर्जी स्टेट्स में चला गया. एक एग्जांपल है यहाँ पे, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, बैक एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन है. हेक्सा एक्वा टिटेनियम 3 पॉजिटिव हैज ओनली 1 d इलेक्ट्रॉन in 3d orbital. Its spectrum shows that single absorption peak at about 5000 angstrom. स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी में एक ही बैंड बनता है इसका 5000 एंगस्ट्रॉम में स्क्रीन के ऊपर, विच कॉरस्पॉन्ड टू द एनर्जी ऑफ 240 किलो जूल, ग्रेटर देन del knot value, and is sufficient to excite the electron from T2G set to EG set. Means when visible light fall on this complex, electron will jump from lower set to higher set after absorption of light. This means green and yellow portion of the light are absorbed. Visible light में से green yellow light is absorbed and the complex becomes purple. हमेशा complementary color नज़र आता है. याद रखनी मेरी बात, ये होता है वेबकेयर. हमें नज़र आता है पर्पल कलर. जब ग्रीन येलो अब्जॉर्ब करता है तो वॉयलेट इंडिगो छोड़ता है, और जब वॉयलेट इंडिगो अब्जॉर्ब करता है तो येलो ऑरेंज ये छोड़ता है कलर. सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर अमिट होते हैं. हाई लो फ्रिक्वेंसी अब्जॉर्ब करेगा, हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी अमिट करेगा, एंड वाइस वर्सा. सो इसीलिए color of the complex is violet. This means green yellow portion of light is absorbed and solution of the complex becomes purple, which is complementary color of the radiation absorbed. जो complementary color होता है from wavelength of left from white light is absorbed, वहीं से पता चलता है. Copper 2 solutions जो होता है, this is blue in color. ब्लू इन कलर का मतलब है रेड. दिस विल एब्जॉर्ब this will emit. Visible light का this part will be absorbed, this part will be emit. Low frequency absorbed, high frequency emit. इसलिए ब्लू नज़र आता है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर emit करता है, जो कलर emit करता है वही हमें नज़र आता है. So that is all कि wavelength absorbed will be opposite order. Complementary color will be transmitted or reflected. जो कलर absorb करता है उसका complementary color reflect करता है. So simple बात याद रखनी है, unpaired electron indicate the color is complex is colored and color of the complex is being complementary colored. Complementary color will be transmitted or reflected from the absorbed light.